Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 13th, 2024, featuring a morning planet dance and the star Spica rising at sunset. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 7:30 p.m. The star Spica rises about the time of sunset. It is in the opposite direction from the sun. Rising at sundown, it is in the south near midnight, 1 a.m. with daylight time, and in the southwest during morning twilight, setting at sunrise. Spica's sunset rising matches the spring season and can serve as a calendrical sign that spring has arrived. The nearly full moon is very close to Spica on the 22nd. Spica's appearance in the southeast with a bright moon is a double signal of the season. With the season's midpoint or cross-quarter day occurring May 5th, May Day festivals are near. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Saturn and Mars continue their planet dance in the east-southeast before sunrise. In a close conjunction, Mars passed the ringed wonder 3 days ago. Saturn rises 2 minutes earlier each day compared to sunrise, but the red planet's rising time changes only a minute every 2 to 3 days. Because Mars is marching eastward faster than Saturn, a gap opens between the two planets each morning. Saturn appears higher in the sky, while Mars is less than 10 degrees above the horizon during twilight. This morning, they are nearly 6 degrees above the horizon. Use a binocular to see the planets. Saturn is marginally easier to see as Mars' reddish color mixes with the rosy hues of morning twilight. Further, while the two planets are nearly the same brightness, Mars looks dimmer from its color. Venus is moving toward superior conjunction during early June. It rises only 23 minutes before the Sun. Mercury rises only 9 minutes earlier. The innermost planet on the near side of the Sun appears to pass 1.7 degrees above Earth's twin planet on the 19th, though this conjunction is lost in the Sun's glare. In the evening sky, after sundown, bright Jupiter and the crescent moon, 33% illuminated, are in the western sky. Jupiter is less than 15 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. It moves slowly in front of Aries, over 11 degrees below the Pleiades star cluster, part of Taurus. Through a binocular, Jupiter and Uranus appear in the same field of view. Place Jupiter at the center of the field to look for up to 4 of its largest moons, resembling stars and appearing close to the world. Considerably dimmer planet Uranus is above Jupiter, about 1/3 of the way from the Jovian giant to the top edge of the field. Use the star chart that is in the online article. Notice that aquamarine Uranus is brighter than 53 Arietis and 54 Arietis, but dimmer than Delta Arietis. A telescope with high magnification is needed to see the planet's globe. Jupiter overtakes Uranus in a week, but the two worlds are low in the sky and the view is muted by a bright moon. This evening the moon is over halfway up in the west-southwest in front of Gemini's stars. It stands near Castor's foot, over 15 degrees to the lower right of the bright star. Pollux, the second twin, is 4.5 degrees to Castor's left. While the moon is still crescent, it is bright enough to illuminate the ground and cast shadows. Each evening, as it approaches the full phase, the increasing moonlight washes out the dimmer stars. It reaches the evening half moon, known as the first quarter phase, on the 15th at 2:13 p.m. CDT. The full moon phase follows on the 23rd at 6:49 p.m. This evening Jupiter sets at 132 minutes after sundown. The moon sets nearly 4 hours after sunset and after midnight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.